What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In the super quick guide, I'll show you how to complete keeping the memory in arc raiders. Previously I showed you during the night, let's do it in the day so you can see what's going on. In this quest, you'll need to head across to Dam Battlegrounds. I've pulled up my interactive map here, linked down below, shows you the inside of buildings and things like that. Down here in the wreckage area, in the forest, right over here is where we need to head. So this spot right here. You'll find a wreckage as well as a helmet and a pole that we'll interact with right next to it. Let's get there. Heading out towards the wreckage, you'll eventually get that part of the quest ticked off. This is where we are, right by the wreckage text. If we stand on the north side of this wreckage over here, just to your right is this bush. Head towards this small bush here, and just under it, you'll be able to search for the helmet. It'll drop the item, and you can pick it up. Then you'll walk about 3 steps towards the west to this pole, place it, and that's it. You've now finished this quest. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.